Welcome back, beautiful viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have requested, the ultimate guide to essential oils for skincare. In this video, we will explore the incredible benefits and uses of essential oils to enhance your skincare routine. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss what essential oils are. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts obtained from various parts of plants, including flowers, leaves, and bark. These oils are known for their unique aromatic properties and have been used for centuries for their therapeutic benefits. Essential oils offer a wide range of benefits for the skin, such as moisturizing, soothing, and rejuvenating properties. They can help address various skincare concerns, including acne, aging, dryness, and inflammation. However, it's important to note that essential oils should always be diluted before applying them to the skin to avoid irritation. Now, let's explore some popular essential oils and their specific benefits for the skin. Lavender oil soothes and calms irritated skin, helps to promote a more even complexion, supports skin's natural healing process. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties to combat acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation and redness, helps control excess oil production. Rosehip oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, fades scars and improves skin texture, moisturizes and nourishes dry skin. Frankincense oil has anti-aging properties and promotes cell regeneration, helps tighten and firm the skin, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Now that you know about some popular essential oils, let's discuss how to incorporate them into your skincare routine. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so always dilute them with a carrier oil like jojoba, coconut, or almond oil before applying them to your skin. A safe dilution ratio is typically 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Patch test. Before applying any new essential oil to your face, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions or sensitivity. DIY recipes. Create your own skincare products by adding essential oils to your favorite carrier oils, creams, or lotions. For example, mix a few drops of lavender oil with your moisturizer for added relaxation and skin benefits. Targeted treatments. Use essential oils as spot treatments for acne or blemishes. Apply a small amount of diluted tea tree oil directly to the affected area using a cotton swab. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to essential oils for skincare. Remember, while essential oils can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, it's essential to use them safely and responsibly. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with essential oils, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.